My name is Mrs. Fales, and I'm so excited to be your second grade teacher. This is my second year in second grade. But you might remember that before I was in second grade, I was one of Burton's kindergarten teachers. I am even so lucky that I had a few of you in my kindergarten classroom, and now again in my second grade classroom. How cool. This school year is going to be filled with fun, lots of learning, a little bit of laughter, and many new adventures as we navigate this virtual learning path. This year will be memorable for sure, and I'm excited to go through it with all of you. Let me share a little about myself. I live in Hudsonville, Michigan with my family. I have 2 daughters, Reese, who is 4.5, goes to preschool, and Riley, who is a very busy 2-year-old. They don't give me much of a break. Much like most of you, I assume, they love to play outside, help me cook, do arts and crafts, and go on family field trips to places like the John Ball Zoo. My husband, Mr. Fales, is also a teacher, but he teaches students who are in 8th grade, much older than all of you. You will hear many stories about my family this year, and I will be sure to post lots of pictures of our family adventures. I cannot wait to learn more about each of you next week. Here are a few of my favorite things. I love the color orange. When I sit down to watch a little bit of TV with my daughters, I always hope that they'll choose Masha and the Bear. It makes me crack up every time. When I'm not working on schoolwork or cleaning my home, I love to take a break and cook new recipes. My favorite season is fall, when the leaves change color and the weather gets a little bit cooler. I cannot live without McDonald's French fries. They are my favorite. And we are a big Go Blue Michigan family. This year, students will be learning in 2 types of settings. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we will be following a synchronous schedule. This means that we will be working together like when we are in the real classroom. We will use Zoom video chat to meet together and go through lessons and activities at the same time. On Monday and Friday, we will be following an asynchronous schedule. This means that students will work independently to watch recorded video lessons and complete activities on their own. We will not have Zoom lessons on these days, but you can reach out to your teacher with questions or if you need support. We can find a time to meet in a video chat. Students will participate virtually in specials classes like art, music, PE, True Success, and Everyone Can Code. Lessons will be pushed out on a separate day each week. Students will learn how to navigate to these classrooms during the first week of instruction. Students in second grade will primarily use Seesaw for their assignments. Students will use Seesaw to show what they know using photos, videos, drawings, text, PDFs, and links. Many students are already familiar with this process. We will also be reviewing procedures for locating, completing, and turning in assignments during our very first Zoom sessions. Communication between parents and teachers will take place in Class Dojo. If you are not already connected, we will be sending an invitation to the phone number or email listed on your child's school registration. Please make sure to accept this invitation so that you can stay in communication with your child's teacher and stay up to date with what is happening in our virtual classroom. Zoom is the video tool we will be using for live lessons on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I will post links for joining our Zoom sessions on Seesaw and Class Dojo so that you don't miss these very important learning sessions. Attendance will be taken during the live Zoom sessions. It is very important that you are on time. Students should begin signing in at 8:45 a.m. so that we can begin our lessons promptly at 9 a.m. If there are technical concerns that prevent you from joining, please be sure to contact your student's teacher right away by phone, email, or dojo. Now that you have learned a little about me and our classroom, I want to challenge you to get connected on your technology, log into Seesaw, and look for your first activity waiting for you, an All About Me activity, so that I can learn a little more about you. I'm so excited for Tuesday and our very first Zoom video chat. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me.